Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your constant support. I really appreciate. To my old subscribers, I say welcome. To my new subscribers, thank you for being amazing. So I am gonna go ahead and do this nude simple look. I've not done a full face makeup in a long time now. I'm going to do it today. The reason why I've not been filming like a full video is because my camera was sick, so I had to take it back to them Canon people to sort it out. It just came back yesterday and I'm happy, even though I'm sad I wasn't able to film a lot of makeup videos for Valentine's, but it is what it is. It's here right now. I have to make use of what I've got, so let's get to it. So I've got the wipes right here just to wipe my face completely. I did a video not quite just a few minutes ago of this tinted eyebrows that I did, and I shaped it just for it to be bushy. Like these days I've been craving bushy lashes, eyebrows rather. So I've gone ahead to just remove the dirty part, which is like the baby hairs around it and all that. This is what it's looking at so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it full. Definitely I'm gonna go ahead and make it full, and I'm going to be using this right here to completely raise it up so that I'll see what I'm doing. And I'm going to be using this OK by Kiss eye pencil to just Hey guys, so I'm back and I've done the other eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this glitter. I said this glam dazzling eyeliner. You can see the color. I'm gonna use it. Just get closer to the mirror and My individual lashes is not letting me. This is stopping me, man. The struggle to use individual lashes and do makeup. Struggle is real. So I'm going to go ahead and hydrate my face. Right. And I want to moisturize my face. Right. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Pro Base moisturizing primer. It has tea tree oil, vitamin E and vitamin A inside it, and it's very, very cool for your face. So I'm gonna use it everywhere that this foundation will be going. There you go, my face is quite moisturized now. So I'm going to use another primer. I got this primer from Primark and I've been using it for a while now. It's really beautiful. It's really amazing. I recommend it. It's cheap, but it's beautiful. It's like gel. It kind of blocks. I'm going to go get another one of it. When you tell people, oh, I use Primark primer, they say, ew. This thing stops sweat from coming to your face. If you have oily face and you use this, honestly, you would thank yourself for getting it. It's just so cool to use. Just, you know, it's like gel. I just love it. Can't get enough of it. I'm gonna go get another one of it. It doesn't matter where it's from. Right, I'm gonna be using this LANCOME. I'm gonna mix two foundations together. I'm gonna use LANCOME foundation in that shade number 10, right? And I'm going to be using that one in the shade of B70 and over there. So the two of them, I'm going to be using that brush, and I'll mix the two of them together right there. I love this because it covers. The two of them are bomb together. They cover and they give you that lush look at the end. So guys, I got a microphone to use alongside with my camera, but the microphone, I got that microphone before my camera apparently, so I've got it here in the house and I can't obviously use it because the microphone, my camera has no place where I can kind of fix it, because it has an inbuilt microphone and you cannot use that on it. I don't know what to do with it. Should I keep it in case if I get another camera in the future? What should I do? I just don't know what to do, but I needed a microphone because it kind of helps your voice. If you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my L.A Girl that I've already chopped open under my eyes like that. Gosh, I need to go and get another one before I use this thing to poke my eyes. I really need to, and I'll do that by tomorrow. Oh no, I'm traveling, so I won't be able to. I'll get that when I get where I'm going to. So I've got this. Where are you? My little beauty blender. I just used it once and I'm gonna use it again. I used it on myself, so yeah. I like to do my bottom lash line. I usually like to do it when I'm done. For some reason I feel like it comes out really well. So I'm gonna keep blending this and I'll come. Shall I tell you why I do not contour my cheekbone and my forehead and all that? I do not contour my cheekbone because I have a high cheekbone. The essence of contouring is just to lift your face and put obviously the features to stand at the right places. I've got a high cheekbone already. There's no need contouring it. It doesn't make any sense. It's gonna make me look like a drag queen, and obviously it doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna use this sleek eye pencil, black eye pencil, line my waterline while I wait for it to bake. Just like that. Please ignore that cat, dog, whatever it is that's barking from me. This is what I do when I mess it up. Just use this smoosh. And I'm also gonna go ahead and use, I want to smoke out my what am I gonna use? This particular one that looks dark red, between dark red and brown. Like that. I don't usually bake my face, but I don't know why I'm doing it today. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyelashes. Normally I have individual lashes extension, but who cares? I've used these lashes once before and it still looks really okay, so I'm gonna. Hey guys, so the struggle to wear eyelashes on top of individual lashes is real. I have been struggling to press down my lashes, but the individual lashes kept on pushing it away, so it's like that. I managed to get it to look like this. It's just weird. I had to get in there and it's just not letting it at all, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this, kind of brush it together. It looks so weird. It looks really weird. It's like trying to push it out. When you're pushing it in, it's pushing it out. You just don't know where. So I'm gonna go ahead and add more of this because obviously the lashes has really taken. Right, so I'm going to use this brush and just take all this away. Looking for my okay, found it. My dark L.A Girl in shade chestnut. So I'm gonna use it right here and right here.